Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to make money with AI, create animated videos for kids. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of AI animation for kids. So in this video, we're going to show you how to create captivating and educational animated videos for children step by step with the use of ChatGPT in here, Canva. So to begin for this, what we'll need to do is to head first onto ChatGPT. So we are going to use this platform in here to create the script of our video. So we're just gonna type in something in here so that ChatGPT will generate it for us. What we've written in here is write a child learning video script about various animals. So we'll need to provide a prompt like this. So let's send that one out and let's wait what it will generate. Now, as you can see, it already generated a script for us, which has a title already, Exploring Amazing Animals, a fun learning adventure for kids. So it has an introduction. It also has a guide in here onto what you should do onto the video. So we have here some narrators and everything that you need for a script. So what we'll need to do in here is we'll just need to copy out the host part or the narrator's part of the text and paste it onto the document file like this. So we'll just need to do it manually like this and paste it onto any documents that you want. And as you can see, we've gone ahead and already copied out all of the host scripts. So what we're gonna do next is to head on to another platform that we're gonna use. So this is the other platform that we're gonna use, which is the Credle AI. So this is a text-to-speech AI. So we choose Credle AI for its natural sounding voices and flexibility in voice selection. So this tool will allow us to bring our scripts to life with high quality audio. So what you're just gonna need to do is to head onto their website in here, just search credoai.com onto your local browser and then click on to login or register. Now to log in, you'll have an option to continue with email and password and click on start creating, or you could sign in with Google. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply click on to sign up for free. Now, right after, you need to put your nickname in here, your email, and then your password, which must be at least 8 characters long, must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. And then click onto this I have read and accept service terms and privacy policy and create an account, or you could also register with Google. So just choose which option do you prefer onto signing up so that you'll get redirected onto Credo AI's dashboard. Now, right after, once you're redirected onto the dashboard, you'll just need to simply click onto this AI text dubbing since Credle AI offers a lot of the different features in here. So this is the one that we're going to use. We're in AI text dubbing in more than 140 language. So I'll just simply click onto that. And then right after, it will ask you to choose a language type. Just choose English in here, and you could also choose a voice in here. So there are different voices that they offer. You could choose this. We'll just try to click onto the one that you prefer. And then you could also adjust the speech rate, adjust the tone. And here onto the text content, you'll just need to head back onto the document that you've copied earlier, where's the text, and copy the first paragraph in here. And then right after, you need to paste it in here. We have here already pasted out. You have also the addition feature in here wherein you could check first or do a quick preview onto the voice. So I'll just need to click on to confirm. Then right after, you'd be redirected onto the page in here. So you have the option to download this. So I'll just need to simply click on to download. And then you need to create a new text dubbing again, and then do the same process until you finish all of the audios to be dubbed already. Now, as you can see in here, I've gone ahead and already dubbed all of the narrations and also have it downloaded in here. So the next thing that we're gonna need to do is to head onto another platform that we're gonna use. Now, this time, it's time to bring our characters to life with AI animation. So we'll use Adobe Express in here, a free AI animation tool. So this is an excellent choice because it is user-friendly and offers a range of fun characters suitable for kids. So it simplifies the animation process, making it accessible even for beginners. So you'll just need to simply click on Get Adobe Express for free in here to register or sign up. Now, once you're in here, the dashboard of Adobe Express, you can see the what you want to make in here. You'll just need to scroll down until you find the suggested quick actions. So what we're going to need to do is animate from audio. So if you don't see this one, you could utilize the search bar in here, or you could simply click onto this plus button. Just simply click onto the shortcut for animate from audio. Now, right after clicking onto that, you'd be able to see or choose from different characters in here. So let's choose one that you think is suitable for our video creation. We'll choose this character character in here, which is Phil, since I think this one is very suitable since it looks like a teacher. Then right after, once you have that one, you'll need to head onto the background in here to choose a background, and we need to have it onto a green colored background. So I'll just need to simply click on custom color and then click onto green like that. Then once it's done, you'll need to choose a size also. So we'll need to resize it for YouTube since this is for a YouTube video, and let's click onto landscape. Then right after, we'll need to put in here our characters dialog so we could browse in here, and here are the different file formats that it offers. So it needs to be 2 minutes and 1 GB max per upload. So let's click onto browse so that we could add it in here our recordings. So actually there is an option also for you to just simply drag and drop the audio that we have downloaded earlier in here. You can see it is already uploading in here or generating. So this might take some time. So just repeat onto the process and do this for all of the audios that you have downloaded earlier using Credle AI. So as you can see in here,
Welcome, little explorers.
it is already animated. So what you'll need to do is just simply click onto this download button and then repeat onto every other videos or audios that you have. Now right after, we'll use Canva, a popular graphic design tool known for its versatility and ease of use. So Canva is perfect for creating visually appealing backgrounds that complement our script, and it also offers a vast library of elements and customization options allow us to tailor the background of our video's theme. Then right after, once you're already onto the website, you'll just need to click onto videos, and then right after, just scroll down or scan until you find YouTube video. Then right after, you'd be redirected onto this white canvas. So let's try to edit this so that it complements our script. So let's try to change the background color first. So we could try green in here since we're talking about animals, or you could choose brown so that it would complement our video. So we have that one. And let's try to add in some elements. So let's search for trees. Now, this is actually for our introduction or for the first part of our script. So it would be really helpful if you try to locate the scripts that you have or the one that was generated by ChatGPT earlier so that we should be able to use that one as a guide. So we could try to add this like that onto the background. Then we could try to copy this so that we could have more. There you have it. We have a background already. So what we'll do next, now we could try to add in here also the different animals that we featured. Then we could try to add in some animals already in here. We'll just need to simply click onto that and then resize this. Right after, you could save this one for the main background, and for the other animals that was onto your script, you'll just need to search them here onto the elements, add it in here and make it a little bigger so that it would be fit for the script that you have. Then right after, what you'll need to do is just simply click onto the share button in here. Then right after, click onto this download so that right after you could have this backgrounds onto your device. And then the next thing that we'll do, we'll need to put all of these videos together with the host that we created earlier onto Adobe Express. Now for the video editing, we have chosen in here CapCut, which is a user-friendly and feature-rich video editing software suitable for both beginners and experienced editors. So its chroma key functionality makes it ideal for seamlessly integrating our animated characters with a background. So what we'll need to do in here is we'll just need to simply drag in here the background that we have created in Canva and also the video that we have gotten from Adobe Express, or the one that it has the dot. So we'll just need simply to click this add button in here to add it in here also this one so that we could put this all together. So we're just gonna put that one here onto the upper part. So we're gonna do it like that. And then right after, for you to be able to obtain the chroma key feature, we'll just need to simply click onto a certain video, and then right after you should be able to see the settings in here. And then what you'll need to do is just simply click onto cutout in here and enable this chroma key feature. So once this is enabled, you should be able to see the color picker. Simply click onto that and just simply drag it onto the background of the character that we've made on Adobe Express. Then right after, you'll just need to adjust the strength so that we would be able to remove completely the background. Now let's resize this, and then right after, you should be able to see it like this. So what you'll just need to do in here is to add in all of the designs that you have created, including the one that has the body of the script already, so that right after, it should look like this.
Welcome, little explorers, to exploring amazing animals.
And there you have it. You have successfully created an AI animated educational video for kids. Thanks to these carefully chosen platforms, each platform was selected for its specific strengths, making the video creation process efficient and effective. So we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you found the tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!